Lian Li is a dominant manufacturer when it comes to PC components that blend innovation with aesthetics. This usually makes their products a bit pricier, but that won't matter to enthusiasts who care about the best possible performance along with an interesting design. Their AIO line embodies this statement fully, and the Hydroshift 360TL sits at the top of this lineup. Combining cutting-edge performance with unmatched visual flair, this cooler is an excellent choice for high-end builds. The Hydroshift LCD 360TL builds upon the foundation laid by its siblings, the 360S and 360R. Both coolers are cheaper variants of the 360TL, and they share some similarities. This includes the gorgeous IPS display, spectacular performance, and a clever cable management technique. However, the 360TL features refined aesthetics and enhanced cooling thanks to Lian Li's signature UNI-TL fans. In terms of design, the 360TL is a stunning piece of kit. The LCP pump cover is the centerpiece, and the 2.88-inch IPS display has plenty of brightness and vibrant colors. In my eyes, it's one of the better-looking LCD pumps out there. Compared to the 360S, the cheapest out of the Hydroshift lineup, the 360TL has a thicker 31mm radiator, improving cooling capacity. Another interesting feature here is the attached bar that hides the tubes connecting to the radiator behind the back of the AIO. This means that the tubes don't hang over your RAM sticks, ensuring full compatibility. Finally, the main attraction here is the Lian Li UNI fans. These TL variants of the already impressive UNI fans feature infinity mirror RGB lighting, meaning the LED zones are hidden behind mirrored layers. This creates a clean, polished appearance even when the fans are off. It makes the fans look like floating rings of light rather than typical case fans, and the result is something you have to see to appreciate. These fans can spin up to 2,500 RPM and have a wireless control functionality. This refers to their magnetic interlocking system that lets you daisy-chain fans without extra cables. All these design innovations are impressive, but the Hydroshift 360TL isn't just about looks. For high-end CPUs like the Ryzen 9 9900X, the performance is nothing to scoff at. Under heavy workloads, the temperature never exceeds 70 degrees Celsius. That result is while pushing all cores to 100% usage at the maximum clock speeds. This will rarely happen during gaming, so expect even lower temperatures. While the 360S and 360R versions are a bit noisier, this isn't an issue with the 360TL. When the fans are running at 100% speeds, the noise levels are at around 45 decibels. This is on par with various other 360mm AIOs, so the result is quite respectable. Again, expect lower noise levels while gaming. In terms of competition, the closest competitor is the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 RGB. The thermal performance and noise levels of both AIOs are similar, so it comes down to features. Considering the 360TL has better-looking fans, improved cable management, and a brighter display, it's ultimately the winner. It has more features for the same price, which is why I prefer it for high-end builds. While it has a high price tag, it has the performance and feature set to show for it. The design is spectacular, the fans look and perform well, and the adjustable AIO tubing is just the cherry on top. Spending this much on an AIO certainly isn't for everyone, but if you've got the budget for it, it's probably the best option out there. To sum up, what I like is the impressive thermal performance, the low noise levels, the bright LCD pump cover, and spectacular fans. On the downside, it's very expensive for most builds. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below. If you're looking to optimize your PC even further, don't stop here. We have more videos filled with suggestions and reviews to help you make the best decisions.